Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Creative Balloons. If you are also in search of Zoom app shortcuts, so welcome to this video. I am Saad Mansoori and today I am going to show you Zoom app shortcuts. Okay, so let's start. First, what you have to do is open Zoom app and then go to the Zoom app settings. Okay? Then you will find an option keyboard shortcuts. Okay? Click on that and then enable all the shortcuts of your requirement. Okay? Do this. This is compulsory. Our first key is show or hide meeting controls. If you press Alt key, so your meeting controls will be hide. And if you press Alt key again, so your meeting controls will be showed. See, now I have pressed Alt key, so the meeting controls are hidden. Mute my audio, start video, share screen, that all controls are hidden. And if I am pressing again, so the meeting controls are now showed, as you can see. So let's move to our second key. Our second key is switch to speaker view. If you press Alt F1, so you will be switched to speaker view. See, I am pressing Alt F1. So as you can see, now I am switched to speaker view. So let's move to our third key. Our third key is switch to gallery view. If you press Alt F2, so you will be switched to gallery view. So now as you can see, now I am in speaker view and I am pressing Alt F2. So as you can see, now I am in gallery view. So let's move to our fourth key. Our fourth key is start or stop video. If you press Alt V, so your video will be stopped. See, Alt V. So as you can see, now my video is stopped and I am pressing again. So as you can see, now my video is open. Let's move to our fifth key. Our fifth key is mute or unmute my audio. If you press Alt A, so your audio will be unmuted, and if you press again, so your audio will be muted. See, Alt A, as you can see, mute and unmute. We have gotten the news now that the part 2 of Zoom app shortcuts will be out soon in my YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned and bye-bye.